but I don't save money and I use debt to get rich.
In this video, we will discover 6 hidden strategies employed by successful individuals inspired by financial educator Robert Kiyosaki to strategically leverage and make money on debt. Learn how they make money, build lasting prosperity, and secure their financial futures by harnessing the power of debt as a powerful tool for creating wealth and financial freedom. 1. Financial ruins or a path to wealth. Debt can either drag you down into financial ruin or lift you to new heights of wealth. The key lies in how it is utilized. Many people perceive debt as something to be avoided at all costs. However, Robert Kiyosaki, renowned for his book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, encourages a different perspective. He believes that debt, when used intelligently, can be a stepping stone to financial independence. Kiyosaki's philosophy centers on distinguishing between good and bad debt. Good debt, in his view, is debt incurred to acquire assets that generate income and appreciate in value. In contrast, bad debt includes borrowing for items that do not generate income or appreciate, such as consumer debt like credit cards used for non-essential purchases. Understanding this distinction empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions. By embracing good debt, such as taking out a mortgage to purchase a rental property, one can create an income stream that covers the loan expenses and eventually leads to significant financial gains. In contrast, minimizing or eliminating bad debt frees up resources to focus on wealth-building strategies. 2. The power of appreciating assets.
But debt is money today. And so when I acquire an asset, I use debt.
One of the most critical strategies employed by the wealthy is using debt to invest in assets that appreciate over time. These assets can range from real estate properties and stocks to thriving businesses. By borrowing money to acquire appreciating assets, individuals stand to gain from their rising value, often exceeding the cost of the borrowed funds. For instance, suppose you purchase an income-generating property using a mortgage. The rental income from the property can cover the loan payments, and as the property appreciates in value, you can build equity and enjoy a steady stream of passive income. In this way, the investment not only pays for itself, but also generates additional wealth. Similarly, investing in stocks or mutual funds with borrowed funds can lead to impressive returns, particularly if the assets experience significant growth over time. When the investment value surpasses the debt incurred, investors benefit from the appreciation while still owing the original borrowed amount, effectively multiplying their gains. 3. The path to profit. Rich individuals understand the significance of accessing low-interest debt. By securing credit at favorable rates, they can allocate the borrowed funds to investments that yield higher returns. The difference between the investment returns and the interest expense translates into profit. Consider a scenario where an entrepreneur takes a business loan at a low interest rate to expand their thriving business. The increased business operations lead to higher revenues, far surpassing the interest costs on the loan, thus creating a profit margin. This profit can be reinvested to further scale the business or diversify into new ventures, generating even more wealth. In a personal finance context, low-interest debt can also enable individuals to pursue educational opportunities that lead to higher-paying jobs or career advancements. Investing in oneself by acquiring new skills or knowledge can yield significant long-term returns in the form of increased earnings potential and greater financial security. 4. Keep your earnings. Another aspect that the wealthy focus on is tax efficiency. They structure their borrowings and investments in a way that maximizes tax deductions and takes advantage of favorable tax treatment. By reducing their tax liabilities, they can retain a more significant portion of their earnings, accelerating wealth accumulation. For example, high net worth investors might utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as Roth IRAs or 401ks, to invest in various assets. The returns generated within these accounts are tax-free or tax-deferred, allowing their investments to grow faster. This intelligent tax planning enables them to keep more of their profits and reinvest them to further compound their wealth. Similarly, businesses can leverage tax incentives and deductions by investing in research and development, capital expenditures, or sustainable practices. These strategic investments not only reduce taxable income, but also contribute to the company's growth and competitiveness in the market. 5. The importance of diversification. Wealthy individuals don't put all their borrowed funds into a single investment. They understand the importance of diversification, which means spreading their capital across various asset classes to mitigate risk. Suppose a savvy investor borrows money to invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and real estate. If one sector experiences a downturn, the overall portfolio might still be shielded from significant losses due to the other sectors performing well. Diversification allows them to balance potential risks and rewards effectively. Moreover, diversifying across different industries and geographic regions can offer a hedge against regional economic downturns or sector-specific challenges. It ensures that a single negative event doesn't wipe out the entire investment portfolio, enhancing overall financial resilience. 6. Risk management, a balancing act. Using debt to invest can be lucrative, but it also comes with inherent risks. Successful individuals carefully assess their risk tolerance and borrowing capacity. They ensure they can handle the debt service even if their investments face temporary setbacks. For instance, a business owner might use a line of credit to finance a new product launch. While the investment could lead to substantial profits, there's also a chance that the product might not resonate with the market. To manage this risk, the business owner would carefully evaluate the potential returns and have contingency plans in place. Effective risk management ensures that they can weather uncertainties and maintain financial stability. In a personal context, individuals can mitigate risk by setting up emergency funds to cover unexpected expenses or setbacks, ensuring that they can still meet their debt obligations even during challenging times. Additionally, they can opt for adjustable rate loans or flexible repayment terms that accommodate changes in their financial circumstances. True wealth is not just about acquiring possessions, but also about securing the freedom and opportunities that come with financial independence. Take charge of your financial destiny today and unlock the potential within you to create lasting prosperity for yourself and your loved ones. The road to financial freedom awaits those who dare to harness the power of debt intelligently and align their actions with their long-term goals. Start building your legacy of wealth today.